Hi, Aza here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bake chicken drumsticks two different ways. First, with the help of tandoori spice and freshly squeezed lemon juice, we are going to have a very juicy and tender baked chicken. And number two comes together very quickly. It's a simple, flavorful and easy recipe for busy weeknight. You can serve it with a salad on the side and enjoy. These baked chicken drumsticks are the easiest way to get dinner on the table quickly. The skin crisps up in the oven. The legs came out juicy every time. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I do is pat the chicken with a paper towel. It just absorbs all the excess moist. Dry skin equal to crispy chicken. Then what I like to do is to cut the chicken like that. It helps to cook evenly and absorb more sauce. Now let's transfer the chicken to the bowl and start to make the sauce. Tandoori spice make your chicken so tasty and flavorful. Tandoori spice is a combination of coriander, cumin, garlic powder, ginger, black pepper and cayenne pepper. Now add freshly squeezed lemon juice to make a soy paste base like this. Mix it well. Add the lemon juice gradually to not have a very runny sauce or very thick paste. So let's start to add the paste and rub the chicken evenly. Make sure to coat it on all sides. Using your hand, gently massage the spice over the top of the drumstick and a bit under the skin. Make sure to coat it on all sides. Now transfer marinated chicken to the baking pan. My oven is preheated 450 Fahrenheit. Pop those into the oven for about 20-25 minutes. This step is optional, but what I like to do is after about 15 minutes, take them out of the oven and add some leftover sauce and put it back in the oven. This makes chicken soft and juicy. Perfect, the chicken is ready to go. The hardest part is waiting a couple of minutes for your chicken to cool. The whole house smells amazing. They are so juicy and tender. Everyone going to love this chicken. I serve them with some cooked veggies on the side. So let's move to number 2 recipe. Now the base and prep for each of these recipes are the same. This is a classic spice mix that happens to be so delicious on chicken. I'm just going to combine salt, pepper, 2 spoons of garlic powder, 2 spoons of paprika, oregano, onion powder and rosemary. And don't forget, and most important part is finely chopped garlic. Baked garlic with all these spices, the whole house smells so nice. And mix well. Then using your hand, gently massage the spices over the top part of the drumstick and a bit under the skin. Perfect. Make sure to coat all the sides. Now transfer marinated chicken to the baking pan. My oven is preheating 450 Fahrenheit. Pop those in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. What I like to do after 15 minutes, take them out of oven and add some extra sauce and put it back in the oven. This makes chicken more juicy. Perfect, your chicken is ready to go. You are going to see that it has a little bit of color from the spices. They are so juicy and delicious. It's an easy way to bake chicken right in the oven, and as you see, it's come together quickly. Perfect for busy night. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe.